All right, so I have this question from JAM 2006, question 31, where we are asked if x is equal to bracket open 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, bracket close, and y is equal to bracket open minus 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 1, bracket close. Find 2x minus y. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we first of all solve for 2x before we proceed to look for the value of 2x minus y. Therefore, in solving for 2x, we know the fact that x, copy our value for x again. The value for x as we are given is x equal to brackets open 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, bracket close. If this is our value for x, therefore means our value for 2x will be 2x equal to 2, bracket open, 1, 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, bracket close. This be equal to, bracket open, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 0, we have 0, 2 times 1, we have 2, 2 times 2, we have 4, 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2, 2 times 0, we have 0, 2 times minus 1, we have minus 2, 2 times 0, we have 0, 2 times 1, we have 2, bracket close. Now, having gotten our value for 2x, we can now proceed to find our value for 2x minus y. Therefore, 2x minus y be equal to, bracket open, we copy our value for 2x, 2, 0, 2, 4 minus 2, 0, minus 2, 0, 2, bracket close. Now minus our value for y. Value for y we are given minus 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1. We have 2, minus 1, 1, our bracket close. These in turn be equal to, bracket open, 2 minus bracket open, minus 1, bracket close. Next we have 0 minus 1. We have 2 minus 2. Bottom we have 4 minus 0. We have minus 2 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close. We have 0 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close. We have minus 2 minus 2. We have 0 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close. Lastly, we have 2 minus 1, or close within our bracket. This is equal to, bracket open, 2 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close. This gives us 3. We have 3. Now 0 minus 1 gives us minus 1. 2 minus 2 gives us 0. 4 minus 0, we have 4. Minus 2 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close, gives us minus 1. 0 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close, gives us 1. Minus 2 gives us minus 4. 0 minus bracket open minus 1, bracket close, gives us 1. Then we have 2 minus 1 giving us 1, bracket close. Therefore, our answer is a bracket open, 3 minus 1, 0, 4 minus 1, 1, minus 4, 1, 1. Thank you.